Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ross and I'm currently in a mountainous region of North Wales called Snowdonia, and the whole purpose I've come on this weekend away is to get some really cool shots of my DJI Spark drone. But as you can see, the weather is not on my side and it's bleaching down with snow. We've got an amazing landscape here, but it just hasn't stopped raining in the town I stayed in last night, and it hasn't stopped snowing up here in the hills. So I've been sat in my car since 8 this morning and it is currently just coming up to 12, so 4 hours waiting around. I'm tempted just to give it a try in the snow. It usually handles quite well in the cold because I've had it out in -2 before, but it hasn't been snowing. So I know it can handle the temperature. The only thing that really packs in is my phone after about 10 minutes. Luckily for me, the Spark only has a 10-minute flight time, so temperature isn't an issue. And I've got the batteries heating up in my pants down there, so the battery's as warm as it can be by the time I get out there. The only issue I think I'll have is the snow, actually getting inside the Spark and getting on the circuit board. But I'm tempted, if I'm going to be waiting here any longer, to actually give it a try. So stay with me and we'll see if the Spark does okay in the snow. So I decided to risk it after all. I think I got some really great footage out there. Couldn't be happier with that. So I heated up the battery in my trousers and kept the phone battery as warm as I could, close to my body. And I basically set up the drone so it was ready to fly inside the car. And then at the very last minute I took it outside, placed it on a rock and took it straight off. Made sure the home point was set and handled absolutely normally. The battery didn't show any type of reduced flight time. The drone itself heats up when it's in the air, so that might have been one of the factors that helped it stay up for so long. I got a good 6 to 8 minutes out of it. It still had more time as well, but I thought I'd bring it back just in case it was getting too wet, but couldn't be happier with that. So I've got it wrapped up now in the towel and I've got the heating on in the car, full belt. So now we'll travel to the next location and hopefully it isn't snowing there. So the last 2 flights went really well, and I'm now here at the next location, which is the Watkins Path, and there's a number of very clear waterfalls all the way up the path, but there is a half-an-hour trek up the side of the mountain to get to them, so I'm about to do that. Okay, so my phone and the drone battery are tucked up against my body now, just to keep them warm. There's a tiny little bit of rain, not too bad. Car's parked just down the road there. And we're starting on the Watkins Path. I've been told it's about half an hour. We should come to the crystal clear waterfalls.
Don't wanna play dumb not anymore. I let that fire burn inside of me. 'Cause all I need is that dance floor. The music's all I ask for. You mean nothing to me no more, no more. 'Cause I'm better. I was addicted to the way you made me feel, but now I know that none of it was ever real. 'Cause everything you did made me feel low, and now that I'm without you, I'm in control. I let that fire burn inside of me, 'cause all I need is that dance floor. The music's all I ask for. You mean nothing to me no more, no more. 'Cause I'm better on my own. I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody to make me feel good. I don't need nobody. I don't need You used to be somebody, used to be. You used to be somebody, used to be. You used to be somebody, used to be. Used to be somebody, used to be. You used to be somebody, now you're just a nobody. I don't need nobody.
Day 2 of Snowdonia. I've just come down from Mount Snowdon. I climbed about a third of the way up. I managed to get about 5 minutes of footage, but the snow and the wind were just too strong. I didn't really want to risk keeping the drone out in that much longer. It was risky anyways. I shouldn't have really had the drone out in that, but I did get the footage and it looks quite good. So enjoy the rest of the footage, and if you like these videos, please like it and leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.